Well, there's a renewed push to remove the top person in charge of the U.S. healthcare system. Both Senator Raphael Warnock and Jon Ossoff want leaders in Washington to either fire Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr. or have him resign instead. Archit Seshadri reports.
U.S. Senators Jon Ossoff and Raphael Warnock urging Congress to remove Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr., calling him a threat to public health and that he is unqualified for the job.
He never should have been confirmed by the United States Senate, and he needs to resign. It is one thing to be a skeptic or a reformer. It is quite another to be a fool and a wrecking ball.
Senator Ossoff says nearly a quarter of the CDC workforce has been removed, including recent shakeups with some top leaders.
And the destruction of the CDC in Georgia, the systematic dismantling of American public health is putting children and families across the country at risk every single day. I defend the CDC not just because those who work there are my constituents, but because it is the most important disease-fighting agency not just in the country, but in the world.
Ossoff says reduced cuts puts children and families in harm's way.
And every day this continues, the damage is compounded. It is time for Mr. Kennedy to resign. He has demonstrated his incompetence. This is gross mismanagement, unforgivable mismanagement that cannot continue.
Senator Warnock calling RFK Jr. a threat after he jeopardized chronic disease and cancer research and urging President Trump to remove him from the job. Reporting in Atlanta, Archit Seshadri, Atlanta Bureau Chief.